This is Frank Siepmann for eLearning Journal reporting live from the exhibition Learntec 2011 in Karlsruhe. It is day 3 of the Learntec, and now it is starting to become a little less crowded, as many visitors have already got their desired information. However, we've still got a couple of interesting videos to shoot. As for now, I would like to introduce you to a project which is covering a topic that is discussed a lot these days: workplace learning. What does the learning demand look like? A company is starting to work with a new software release, and the employees now need to be trained to work with it. How can this be done in a quick, effective and cost-efficient way? This will now be explained to us by Mr. Kunert, CEO of Lernfilme.com. Hello, Mr. Kunert.
Hello, Mr. Siepmann.
Mr. Kunert, for this interview we are interested in workplace learning, a frequently discussed topic. Now, we would like to look at a specific field where an according service is already applied successfully. Your company's name is Lernfilme.com, which is of course a descriptive name. Your service provides films to enable workplace learning.
Yes, that's correct. Our name practically speaks for itself. We produce Learn films. These are short and concise flash animations of video and audio, which directly put the user in a position to immediately work with new software he hasn't ever used before.
Now, you're saying short. Are there any definite restrictions of how long or short these learning units should be?
Yes, the vast majority of our videos is within a range of 3 to 6 minutes. The overall range for all of our videos would be between 2 minutes for really simple issues, up to a maximum of 50 minutes for more sophisticated topics. For example, a pivot table in Excel, which requires a little more background, of course.
So the videos do never exceed 15 minutes.
These longer videos are really exceptions. As I said, most units are much shorter.
So is this a recent development in workplace learning, having small chunks of knowledge that are delivered just in time, in the very instant they are acquired?
Yes, this is really the case. We have been a part of this development since 2004 with our online service. During this time, there has been a significant shift from a regular usage of our devices in the context of successive courses towards the usage via our online help. This is a tool with an intuitive searching process similar to Google, searching for a specific feature or function that I need right now and then getting the according content.
How exactly does this work from the learner's point of view?
From the learner's point of view, it is really simple. Our online service is an online application. It is running in a browser. All you need is a Flash plugin and an audio output. This is of course very important, but should be available on every computer. So you go to our platform, search for a certain keyword or phrase, and then access the according video. This video can then be watched like in a regular player, so you can pause it, forward, rewind, and so on. And then you jump between this video and the individual problem you're experiencing in your application.
But this is not some lecturer that is shown talking about a software problem, but rather a video of the actual screen.
Yes, our videos are based on screen recording technology, with an audio track by professional trainers. So everything is demonstrated on screen and simultaneously explained.
For which learning demands are you already providing content?
We are very much focused on the field of Microsoft applications, or, to be more exact, we are generally focusing on those applications that are used by a great number of people. This means Windows. The transition to Windows 7 is of course a major issue right now, as well as the entire Office range, from the programs everybody uses, PowerPoint, Word and Excel, up to Visio, Project and more specialized topics like Visual Basic for applications.
This is of course a very large potential target group. What kind of clients are you dealing with primarily? Are these companies or private customers?
Well, there's a wide range of clients, from single private users to businesses from a great variety of fields and companies of all different sizes. However, you might say we are most successful in the segment of medium-sized business.
When I think about a potential target group that is so large, actually numbering into the millions, and we are now on this exhibition, the Learntec, which is held for the 19th time, is this a place where other representatives come to you and show interest in your service?
Yes, I really think so. We are here for the third time. A characteristic feature of the Learntec is a very high expertise of professionals you talk to. The conversations are always very much on the spot, so I would say yes.
We are now, so to speak, in year one after Beck and Sommer, who as e-learning pioneers once founded this Congress exhibition 19 years ago. The hosts are steadily exploring new fields and would like to reshape this event as to turn it towards new fields and ideas, also for customers. What would you wish for? What could be improved about the Learntec in future years?
Well, I like the overall concept a lot. Especially the expertise. I think a small Congress exhibition with an expert approach is also what will be the right thing to have in the future. Maybe there could be means of acquiring more visitors. This may be a general trend in the exhibition business, that it becomes harder to get a lot of visitors. So this would be the only thing. Apart from that, we are very happy. Also, the whole environment providing lectures and the Congress is really appealing, also for the visitors.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Kunert. Doing more, that's also what we're going to do. We've got a couple of more interesting videos for you, interesting projects we would like to show you. For now, if you have a problem in Excel or your new version of Word isn't working like it should, try lernfilme.com. There, you will also find a couple of examples. Maybe it is just the right thing for your company. Stay tuned. This is Frank Siepmann for eLearning Journal, live from the Learntec 2011 in Karlsruhe.